Welcome inside the factory. Every year, millions of fresh olives arrive here to begin an incredible journey. Using precision engineering and every batch begins with careful inspection. Advanced optical scanners remove damaged olives, while powerful cleaning systems wash away leaves, dust, and impurities. Only the cleaned olives now enter a powerful hammer mill, where they are crushed into a rich olive paste. Containing the fruit, this paste holds this oil that will soon be carefully extracted. The olive paste now enters the malaxation tanks, where it is slowly mixed under controlled temperatures. This allows tiny oil drops to combine, preparing the paste for oil extraction. Now comes the heart of the process. Powerful decanter centrifuge spin the olive paste, separating extra virgin olive oil from water and olive solids. And the factory, before bottling, every drop is purified, carefully tested, and stored under controlled conditions. Advanced quality control ensures the olive oil retains. The olive oil is bottled, sealed, labeled, and carefully inspected before every bottle is prepared for customers around the world.
After passing every quality check, the finished bottles are packaged and shipped across the world.
From gourmet kitchens to family tables, every bottle delivers the rich flavor and freshness of premium extra virgin olive oil.